Welcome to my channel Style and Threads. Today I am making a shirt, kameez or kurti you can say, in which I would attach two panels on the front side and I would attach two pockets. Its cutting is very easy. First I have to cut front and the back side on basic cutting pattern as is usually cut kameez, and then I would do some alteration on the front side. So let's start its cutting. So I have cut my shirt according to the basic cutting pattern, basic measurements according to my own requirement I have used over here. You can apply your required or desired measurements. 1 inch I have taken for seam allowance from this point to end point. Now I would take the front side because I have to do cutting on the front side, and back part would be same as I already have cut. So I would put this aside and I would do some alteration on the front side. Now on the front side I have to attach two panels, side panels I would attach over here, and here I have to attach my pockets. So first I would mark over here, and you can start attaching your panel from here or you can start from here also at the center of your armhole. So it's totally up to you. There are no standard measurements for this curve. I would start attaching my panel from this side and I would end it over here almost 3 to 4 inches down from this hip line. Okay, so first I would mark and then I would do cutting. So I have marked over here. Now I would start cutting, and I would start cutting from this point. This part I would give for seam allowance. I have to attach a panel, I have to take a stitch, so just 0.25 inch I would leave, and then I would start cutting from here. And it's almost 3.5 inches down. So this piece I have cut. Two panels I have to attach. Now I would take some contrasting fabric and I would cut the same shape, and I would take 0.25 to 5 inch seam allowance on this side, and I would cut two panels on some contrasting fabric. I have taken this contrasting fabric, and from this side I would take 0.5 to 0.25 inch seam allowance and I would cut in this way. And from here I have no need to take seam allowance because I already have taken seam allowance on this fabric. Same measurements I would take over here. Okay, at this point I would attach my pocket. So here I would mark almost 5 inches would be the opening of my pocket, so I would mark over here. After cutting these two panels, and I have marked for pockets, and at this side also I have marked. Okay, now before attaching my pockets, first I have to attach piping on this side. from the right side, and I also have marked on the right side also for my pockets. This is the dori piping. You can make it very easily. I already have uploaded a video related piping making and attaching, so you can watch from there. Link is given in description box. First I would attach my piping and then I would cut my pockets. Okay, so I have attached this piping on both sides. I have taken a stitch on the right side. So these are my pockets. Okay, these two layers for this side and these two layers I have cut for this side. Okay, I have cut this according to the shape of my hand. I have to give a little bit shape from this side according to this. After giving a shape from this side, now I would start stitching from here. Okay, till this point I wouldn't take stitch on this piping. I just take a stitch beside this. Okay, and after taking a stitch over here, then I would take two cuts and I would turn this to the wrong side. Okay, after taking these two cuts, I have turned this layer of pocket to this wrong side of my shirt, and now I have to attach the other layer of this pocket and I would put in this way. Okay, this part, 0.25 inch part, should be outside, and by putting my pocket in this way, I would lock all the sides of pocket. Okay, except this one. I have to take a stitch in this way till this point. Okay, and after taking this stitch, I will also take a zigzag stitch. After that, I would start attaching my side panel. After taking a stitch on this pocket, then I would start attaching this panel. Okay, this is the side panel which I have to attach, and from the wrong side I would start attaching. Okay, from this side I would start attaching, and here I wouldn't take a stitch on this upper part. I would take a stitch very close to this. I would mark with the help of chalk over here, and then I would take a stitch on this part, and this piping should be visible. Okay, now I have attached these panels on both sides, and these are my pockets. Okay, and now I have to make my neckline, and for making neckline I have cut this basting sheet in this way. This is very simple. I have to attach this first on a piece of fabric with the help of iron. I would attach this and then I would start attaching from the wrong side, because I have to turn this to the right side over here, And after attaching this, I would stitch my back side with the front side, and then I would attach my collar over here. Okay. Now I have to attach my collar over here, and after measuring from here, I have got length almost 16 inches. When we have to attach a round band, we decrease half an inch almost. So I will take 15.5 inches of length of my this band, and width I would take 0.75. First I would draw a straight line in this way at the distance of 1 inch. Okay. I have taken 3 inches width of my neckline on shirt and 3 inches length and width. So here I would take a straight line of 6 inches. Okay. And from here I would go up 3 inches. Now till 3 inches my line would be almost straight. Okay, and after that I would give a round shape, curve shape, as I have given on my neckline. Width of my this band is 0.75. Now I would again measure, and in this way I have to measure 7.75 because I have to take 15.5 inches of length. Now I would paste this on a double layer of fabric, and then I would start stitching. After pasting this on a double layer of fabric, okay, I have set my this down part in this way, and now I would take a stitch over here, and then I would take another stitch in this way to join these two layers of fabric, and then I would cut the extra fabric. Okay. Now I would start attaching my band, and I would start attaching from the wrong side of shirt. Okay, and then I would turn this to this part to the right side after taking this stitch. So my this shirt is completely stitched. I have attached these beads over here. You can attach buttons also. And at this hemline I have attached these triangular shapes. Very easy to make and very easy to attach these shapes over here. Just you have to take this square piece. If you have some leftover pieces, you can cut in this shape and then you fold in this way. Okay, I have folded in this way, and before attaching I have taken a zigzag stitch, and then I just attached and stitched these shapes over here. Very easy. I hope that you would have liked this video. If you like it, please thumbs up for me and also click the bell icon. In this way you can get my video as soon as I upload. Till my next video, take care and thanks for watching.